What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Drea. If you are new here, if you are returning, thank you so much. I know this is my first time posting in a long time, but what better way to come back than with a Louis Vuitton unboxing? So if you would like to see what I got, then please keep watching. So I placed this order online. I was shocked that they had it in stock online because I have been seeing this all over my TikTok. I can't even tell you who first influenced me to buy this, but just know it was all those ladies on TikTok. So I placed an order for this because I just really wanted it, and I miss Louis Vuitton. I feel like I haven't purchased from them in years. I kind of took a break from Louis Vuitton, neglected Louis Vuitton for Chanel and Hermes. Louis Vuitton will always have a big place in my heart. I am a Louis Vuitton girl. I just decided to get this on a whim. It was just too cute. So let's see. This is actually the old box. I saw that Louis Vuitton now has a new box, but that's okay. I don't really know how I feel about the new box. What do you guys think of the new Louis Vuitton box? But yes, so they have it wrapped for me with the little tag. I haven't unboxed in so long. So yes, it's the old box that pulls out like this. Ah, it is so tiny. Okay, so here it is. It's so tiny, and oh my gosh. So here it is. Isn't this so cute? Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So this is the Nice Beauty from Louis Vuitton. So here is the card if you are interested. I really didn't know about this, but oh my gosh, looking at this is just too cute. So at the top right here, it says Louis Vuitton made in France. There's no feet. It's just this little zipper compartment, and it's just one big compartment. So I have my notes on my phone. So it is monogram canvas, washable lining, gold toned hardware, double zipped closure. It says that it fits up to 5 lip products or 1 eyeshadow compact, 1 lip product, and 1 lip product refill. So that's like for Louis Vuitton makeup. I actually don't own any Louis Vuitton makeup. I wasn't really crazy about the shades, but yes, if there was any of the Louis Vuitton makeup that you guys recommend, please let me know down below. So the length is 5.3 inches, the height is 4.5, and the width is 1.4. I've been seeing people wear this as a bag. Some people are wearing this as a catch-all. My intention was the catch-all, but let me see. I'm kind of curious now to see what I can fit in here out of my products. What do we think as a bag? Too small, but it could be a bag, like just put everything on your man. I'm gonna see this as a bag. It's kind of cute. It's kind of cute as a bag though. Okay, so I know this is a little bit obnoxious, but my little Chanel wallet fits in here. I mean, it does take up the whole thing, but it does fit. So just for size reference. So it says that it fits 5 of the Louis Vuitton lipsticks, but I'm just going to show you. So on an everyday basis, I carry these 2 around. But yeah, both of these fit. So those would be good if you want to use this as a catch-all. These 2 do fit. There's kind of like a little like protector in here. It's padded in the front. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is padded right here in the front, and it's kind of resisting some things, but I think it's just to protect your makeup. Yeah, so on an everyday basis, I carry around the Rhode and the Edam. And if I'm wearing makeup, this is my lip gloss I have right now. It's the Lawless Skinny Dip. This one fits. This is MAC Flesh Pot. That also fits, and then this is MAC See-Through. This also fits. So yeah, if you want to use this as a makeup catch-all, this all fits, and it's so cute. And that is it for this video. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please like this video, leave me a comment down below, share with your friends, and please subscribe so you won't miss out on any more videos from me, and I will see you in the next one.